Hello, in this video, we will look at more case studies of using streams. First, let's look at this case study, counting the occurrences of each letter in a string. The preceding example randomly generates lowercase letters and counts the occurrence of each letter. This example counts the occurrence of each letter in a string. So we're going to prompt the user to enter the string. And now we're going to count the occurrence of each letter. And so what we do here is look, this is stream off. And we need to get this, the array. So to array, so this is to array. And we have this is the array of characters. This is what we need, and we're going to get this. This is s dot to array. So this is the characters and converted into the object character. So now we're going to filter. We only count the letters. So we will filter to have everything to be a letter. So we're going to use this character dot is letter. Okay. So now we're going to map the all the characters, lowercase or uppercase, are treated the same. So we're going to map it to one case is to map it to the all uppercase. We're going to map it to uppercase. So this is the uppercase. And now we can collect using collectors dot grouping by, and with all the characters, each character, or we're going to group all the characters, the same character grouped, and put into the tree map, and collectors dot count all the occurrence. And we get all this in a tree map, and now we're going to display this is the value and the occurrence. So this is the, if you enter, this is the string. So A occurs 3 times, and B occurs 1 time, and T occurs 3 times. This is the output. Now let's look at the next example, processing all elements in a 2-dimensional array. So this is a 2-dimensional array. And we're going to do some process. We're going to find the maximum, minimum, sum, average, and we could count on each row. So what we're going to do is, this is the stream here. You're going to map every element in this here, in this. This is every element. You're going to map it as this, a stream. Map each element into a stream. And now you're going to reduce it and combining streams together. So what the effect of this is, everything is going to be flattened. It's 2-dimensional, going to be flattened into 1 dimension. And then 1 dimension is now, and this is the, you're going to get all these into a, the 1-dimensional array. So put all the elements in the stream. So we're going to flatten it and combine them all together and make it into the array. So this is 1 array. And from this, and we can get the into-stream, and this is the array and the list, and get the summary statistics. And this is in this statistic object. And from this statistics object, we'll get the max and get mean, get the sum, get the average. All right, so now let's get the sum of each row. So the sum of each row, so what I do is, and this is my M. So this is the M here. So we're gonna look at every element. So this is each here element is one-dimensional array. So what we do is to get the sum. So get all this in this one-dimensional array, that's E, and to get the sum. Okay. And then you, after this map, so you have 4 rows, and each row is mapped into one single element. And you're going to print it out, and this is a sum of rows, and that is what is printed. That's all for this video, and we'll continue with more examples in the next video.